Purpose of today's video is to review from Algebra 1 how to solve a linear system by using the substitution method. There's two different ways, substitution and elimination, that we can solve these systems. That's just basically techniques or methods, but before we look at those methods or the substitution method, we should refresh how to make a graph of a linear equation when it's in standard form. What I'm showing right here is what's called the intercept method, and essentially we take this equation, and to graph a line we just need 2 points on the line. To find the easiest 2 points, you let x equals 0 and find the y, you let y equals 0 and find the x. Those are the two easiest and safest solutions to find, giving me these two coordinates for these 2 points. I do the same thing to graph the second equation. Produces an x and a y intercept, and then I put both the x and y intercepts pairs on the line or on the grid and draw a line. Now the whole purpose of this is to be able to see the red line representing all the solutions to the red equation, the green line representing all the solutions to the green equation, and this 1 point is the one solution that is a solution to both the red and green equations. So what makes this point special? It is the solution to the system. It appears that even with my graphs I could see that when x equals 2, y equals -1 seems to be the approximate solution. It could be off, so I'm going to use algebra to verify. So we're going to solve by substitution. Substitution involves usually 4 steps, including checking. The first step is to take one of my equations and solve for y. I chose to solve the first equation for y. I could have solved any of these equations for x or y, but I chose to solve the first for y because the coefficient on y is the smallest. And in fact, it's 1, which makes the algebra easy. Y equals -7 plus 3x. Be careful with your negatives. Step 2. Take the second equation. Wherever there was a y, you replace it with its equivalent expression. Y is equal to -7 plus 3x, so instead of 2x plus 3y, I'm going to write 2x plus 3y equals 1. The rest of this is rudimentary algebra. We distribute the 3, collect like terms, and divide. That shows me that x equals 2. So now, oops, wow, that was fast. Now that I have that, I'm going to take one of my 2 equations, use the first one, and put x equals 2 in for it, solve for y, turns out y equals -1. I feel really good about this because 2, -1 was my predicted solution from the graph, and my algebra is confirming that. So I express the solution as an ordered pair, and then I check to verify that 2, 1, -1 is also a solution to the first or the second equation, and indeed it is. So that's the complete process, start to finish. We start by graphing using the intercept method. We make a prediction. Take one equation and solve for x or y, substitute into the second equation, go back and find the y value or x value, and check. Simple as that. Thanks for watching.